This is part 1 of my 9 Faces series, where we create a variety of faces using the same 3-area face grid. In this lesson, we'll draw a female face and use 3 equal areas for this face to accurately place the eyes, nose, and mouth. If you enjoy structured step-by-step drawing lessons like this, please like the video and consider subscribing. Let's draw. So the first face I'm going to do is going to be a female. I'm going to do just a basic curvy eyelid like that. The bottom of the nose is here. Let's try this again. I like doing the nose first a little bit because then I know where to put the corner of the eyes. Right? And for this one I'm going to do a real nice wide kind of eye. So we'll say, if this is the eyebrow line here, 1/3 of the way down is here, and that'll be about the bottom of the eyes right there. Here's the outside of the face. If we find halfway and then cut that in half, we know where the center of the eye is going to be. And then let's just draw this big whole eye like this, and then come down like that. So draw a big whole eye like that, and then come down like that. And that's all we need to do for the eye right now. We will put the cheekbone here. The eye socket of the skull is here, comes down to about here, so the widest part of the face will be just under the eye, right there. Like that. Now find halfway from the bottom of the nose to the bottom of the chin. It's about here, and then the mouth opening is here. I'm going to use my little seagull. Nice big wide bottom lip. And I think I've put that just a touch too close to the nose, so let's get rid of all that. Now remember I tell you guys to draw lightly. I don't when I'm doing these videos because I used to draw lightly, but all my videos were a little hard to see because I would draw so lightly. So let's put the mouth opening here, right here. That's better. Nice full bottom lip. And the top lip like that. Okay, now I want to put in the iris and the pupil. And remember, the iris covers over about half of the white of the eye, so it covers a lot. We'll make that top lid darker, and we'll lightly put in the bridge of the nose. And I'm going to make the bridge of this nose come to the bottom of the eye, so the nose is a little flatter. Now, cheekbones, smile line. Okay, now the chin usually stays within the edges of the mouth. And I'm going to make this come down and then curve in just above where the opening of the mouth is. So there's the mouth opening. Just start to curve it in there like that. And there we go. And for the ear, I'm going to give her a 4-line ear, starting at the bottom of the eye. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Starting at the bottom of the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. Neck can be as wide as you want. SCM, the Sternocleidomastoid tendon from the ear to the... Okay, so let's give her a shorter style of hairdo. Have it pulled back into maybe a ponytail or a bun, I don't know, because that's going to be behind. And like this. remember the hairline would come in like that, so you're going to start to see strands there, side of the hair, and maybe some nice loose little curls like that. And then why don't we do a nice little curl going like that. And then maybe a straight one down here like that. Collarbone. All right, so there's our first female face. That completes our female face sketch. In the next video, I take this exact drawing into Photoshop and transform it into a fully rendered digital painting, exploring inking, color, lighting, and subtle face shape transformations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tutorials in the 9-Face series. Click the video on screen to see the full process.